Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today we're going to show you how to put the wipers, the front wipers that is, into the service position so you can change the wiper blades on a 2008 Audi 8P. So this model range runs from about 03 to 12. So the first thing you do is you put your key in the ignition and you turn it into the service position or the ignition position. And once you do that, switch it back off again and flick the wiper stalk down once. And the wipers will go up into the service position, allowing you to lift them off the screen, change the wiper blades and put them back down on the screen. Once you've done that, turn the ignition back on, flick the stalk once again, and it's done. So thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and you can also find us on Facebook, Instagram and Blogger.